Spam-a-dam. Yeah! Spam-a-dam-a-dam. Spam-a-dam-a-dam-a-dam.
Watch out,
Yo, Hot Skull.
Yo,
Yo, where me Ross Clark road there?
me Ross Clark. Alright, we go to university, make a right pan, me rotted.
Yeah.
And then after that, so you're going to go around the roundabout we call Turncan Meal. And if you pass me Blood Clot Boulevard, then you're going too far. Oh shit! Oh shit!
Blood clot, red light, man. I be seeing, but yo, I follow me.
You're too blood clot, poor
Yo,
pussy.
you know where bad man come from?
Me chop up your pussy clot, say something.
I would have read it, man. I would have read it. You know, kiss that red light.
You're bumbo.
Hey, boy.
Hey, pretty girl.
Hi.
What's up?
How are you?
Who the
How are you?
fuck
How are you?
Who the bumbo?
Who's that?
You.
Who the hell is that?
I don't know.
This
It's
is
just
my-
no,
this is my
no,
gang.
no. He's from school.
on,
He's
tell me
from
Blood
school.
Clot, yeah. Come on.
Pussy, you don't know for jive.
I want it, Bumbo.
You buy license, pussy.
Hey.
You buy license.
Hey.
You lucky some day I can't shut down my seat and chop up your pussy clot.
I want it, Bumbo. Hey.
This. But turn green, man. Go look for me on YouTube, me chop up my data phone. Go look me up on YouTube. Let me get a number for the stoplight change.
Oh shit, this is my shit. I extort the eye.
Wait, man. You know where you live, you know?
I want it, Bumbo.
Hey, go here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna chop up your pussy clot.
You know where Batman come? You know where Batman come from?
Yo, Bumbo.
Yo, fuck. Nah, now you miss upon the worst start in my video.
Yeah, man.
Blood clot, doggy. You have some fried dumpling in my yard, dog.
Fuck up my life.
Watch his pussy, you know. Thinks a bad man again.
So you know God loves you.
Love me, but he don't love you.
You have any change? Any
Same.
spirit change?
Step up in a life. Give yourself a chance.
Browning. Browning.
Brown skin girl.
Let me get a Twitter name now.
Hey, here's my number.
I want the Bumbo. Hey, you know something like I want this.
No.
Give me that.
but he's from church. I know him from church.
You know him from church?
Yeah.
Which church?
Jesus.
Yo, just make sure you call me later, yeah?
This is Ragamuffin from the ghetto youth camp. Anywhere me go, me say me must left me stamp. Marijuana where me smoke them said too ignorant. Just the other day, some up wall me fi one. Every brother teach you want me, I ain't name Dan Bounce to listen to the gang, me mashing up the traffic jam. Police pull me over talking.